I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to edit the editable files in the Real Picture Visual Schedules and the Real Picture Behavior Pack. If there's any random noise in the background, I apologize. I have my son with me for this. I just wanted to get it out there real quick. So what you're going to do is I'm just going to go from the beginning. You're going to download the purchase, and sometimes when you download it, it'll automatically pop up. I want you to go ahead to your downloads on your computer and open up what you downloaded. So here is the editable portion, and you need to open it in Adobe Acrobat. Otherwise, you won't be able to edit it. So from here, really simple. In these pages, you're able to enter the text. I think the issues I was seeing was with images. So down here, what you're going to do is just click on this box, hit Browse for images, and I don't have any images here. I guess I could open up some clip art. You're going to hit OK, and it'll enter right there in that box for you, and so on. These ones you can also add text to. I made various editable pages so that if you wanted to keep the image but only wanted to change the text, if you wanted to make your own, these ones, again, you just type it in. And down here, again, same as the ones up above, you just want to click this, hit Browse, choose an image. Now, I would save this to your desktop when you're done. Just rename the file, save it as a different file so that you save your edits, and then go ahead and print it. Hopefully this was helpful. I will do another one for the behavior pack as well, but it's pretty much the same thing.